Okay, today I'm going to teach you 2 rules for strengthening sentences that are already grammatically correct. So no spelling errors or anything, just how to make the sentence sound stronger. So the 2 ideas are based on the order of ideas in the sentence and the number of words. So first I'm going to explain the 2 rules to you, and then I'm going to edit this first sentence on the board according to the rules, and then I want you to recite back the rules to me, so pay attention and try and remember them. And then you guys will edit this one using what you remember. Okay, so the first rule is order. You want to put the most important thing in the sentence first, unless that doesn't make sense chronologically. So if you're going by importance, like if you're listing someone's injuries, like say Sheila had a scratch and a broken arm, you wouldn't say like, okay, she has a scratch and earache, oh yeah, and a broken arm, because that's kind of the most important, so you want to put that one first. But if you're doing something that has a chronological order to it, that's more important, so you need to say it in the order that it happened. So Paul's life events 1, 2, and 3, you want to say in the order that it happened. So first rule is order. And then the second rule is condense. So take out the words you don't need. So you want the fewest words possible, because then the words you have will make a bigger impact. Okay, so now we're going to edit this according to the rules that are set. So order is the first one. So if you can't see it on the camera, it says, Prefontaine was an excellent runner at the University of Oregon in college, semicolon. He set the mile record, and he had run foot races as a kid for fun with his friends too. Okay, so the first thing that strikes you, if we're going for order, is that chronologically it's out of order, because we have the part about him being in college and the mile record first, and then the foot races last, which happened when he was a kid. So we want to reverse that, so that's the first thing, is switch these around. Oops, my little whiteboard. Okay, so we're definitely going to start with the foot races and him being a kid, and then end with the mile record. And then we move on to condensing. And clearly there are just like a lot of words here that aren't important and that aren't adding anything to the sentence. So I would take out an excellent runner. Since we know he set the mile record, that's kind of implied that he's a really good runner, and that's not adding anything to say that. So I'm going to take that out. And then I'm also going to take out in college, because when you say he's in the University of Oregon, we know he's in college. And as a kid for fun with his friends too is kind of wordy, so we can just say with his friends, and it sounds like he's younger. Okay. And so when you edit like this, you often have to add a few words. So now that we're going to reverse it, my new sentence, what I wrote down becomes, beginning in foot races with his friends, comma, Prefontaine went on to set the record for the mile at the University of Oregon. So we had to add beginning and went on to. That's the basic idea. You start with order and then condense. So what are the rules?
Start with order.
Yes, and what is the order based on?
Right. Ideas, most important.
Most important ideas or chronological, yeah. Okay, and then condense. Okay, so the second sentence, let's try this as a group. This one says, some of the serious problems at the Allen Brothers coffee shop Thursday morning were a broken light bulb, a leaky faucet, and $1,000 in cash missing from the store's safe. So, how are we going to edit this?
Order.
Order. What do you think? Order. What should we change about the order?
It doesn't seem like it's in order of most importance.
So excellent. So what's most important?
$1,000.
Okay, so we're going to put that one up near the top, and the leaky faucet and the broken light bulb can go to the bottom. Anything else to do with order? Okay, now what else?
Number of words in the sentence.
Okay, so what are things we can take out and shorten?
Instead of having $1,000 in cash and from the store safe, like choose one or the other.
Good, okay. So what do you want? I think the $1,000 is probably pretty important, because you can't imply that, but.
So take out from the store safe.
Okay. Or, yeah. All right.
serious. You can take that serious.
Serious. And I feel like even if you wanted to go one step further, you could just take out some of the problems, because clearly these are all big problems. We could just start out with Thursday morning at Allen Brothers. This was happening.
Sounds good.
Anything else? I think that's what I have for the final one. Okay, great. So the 2 rules are
Ideas in order of ideas, and then number of words.
Chronological.
perfect. Okay. Oh, thanks, guys.